Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare CasaOS and ZimaOS. CasaOS and ZimaOS are both open source operating systems developed by IceWhale technology, designed for personal cloud and home server setups. CasaOS is a lightweight open source operating system designed to turn Linux systems into personal cloud hubs. It features an easy installation process, often complicated with a single command. The OS provides a user-friendly web interface and an integrated app store with over 500 applications. CasaOS supports Docker and custom Docker Compose setups for flexible project management. ZimaOS is an open-source operating system designed specifically for x86-64 hardware like ZimaBoard and ZimaCube. It offers advanced features such as software RAID, PTRFS, and ZFS support, and built-in virtualization. The OS supports NVIDIA GPUs, Thunderbolt devices, and provides seamless remote access through the Zima client. ZimaOS includes AI-powered file search and robust storage management for a comprehensive home server experience. Overall, CasaOS is better for quick, simple personal cloud setup, while ZimaOS is best for advanced, feature-rich home server management. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.